Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing in Windows 11 or 10. The steps are really easy, so make sure to watch till the end of the video. So first is that you need to open your command prompt and just follow the steps that I do here. Just type this ping 127.1.1.1. So we're going to wait for a reply here. And if it shows like this, it means that there's no problem. Second, the first step that we can do is go to services, and from here we're gonna look for a specific option, which is WLAN auto config. Just click it and just change to automatic. Click start and click apply, and then OK. And just restart it. Right click and restart and wait for it. And the second method, we can go to system configuration, just like this, and click on the services tab. So you can see there's a services option at the top. So we must click the services tab. Click hide all Microsoft services and disable all. And just click apply and click OK. Now restart your computer. Okay. So third method is that we should go to our device manager. And after going to network adapters, we click the Wi-Fi option, this TP-Link for my side. All right. And the fourth method that we can do is go to ncpa.cpl. Just type this on your Windows search box. And right-click the Wi-Fi option and click on Properties. And just properties of that one, and click obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server automatically. All right, and for the last method that we have for this video, we go to device manager again. We just go to network adapters, and this second option right here, properties, go to power management, and just untick that one and click OK. That's how easy it is, guys. If this worked, please help like and subscribe. See you all in the next video.